Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorials how to insert image. To insert image in SketchUp, we can use import tools. You can click file menu and then click import. The next search for your image. As example, I will use this image and you can click import. But in here, don't forget you can change extension into JPEG. And then you can search for your JPEG. Click import to attach into your SketchUp. Now I will click in this origin point and then we can scale this image. I will scale into this point. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic SketchUp tutorials how to insert image with import tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.